You want to become a profitable trader as a beginner in forex trading? Well, watch this video to the end. You're going to be learning a lot from this particular video. This video could actually carry about 7 to 8 minutes of your time, but if you actually watch this video to the end, you're going to be thanking me later. Now, if you actually not following me, please follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share this particular video if it's helpful. Now, watch this video to the end. As you can see, this is totally account management. I flipped one of my students for $4,000 into 10,000 USDT, and I did it in just few hours. As you can see, market just opened and I decided to trade gold versus USDT. Now, for those of us that is actually a beginner in forex trading, you know how market works, you know what is buying and selling. I don't need to teach you all these things because probably you've already known all these things. But what I need to teach you is becoming a profitable trader. Now, mindset is actually one of the things you need to actually acquire to become a profitable trader. Now, technical analysis and other trading training can actually get you to the point of view you are actually thinking. But let me tell you something, training requires your time and your equity. Now, if you're a beginner in forex trading, forget what everybody have been telling you to actually participate in mentorship. Well, I will tell you, don't waste your time participating in mentorship because you can actually learn everything you needed to learn online. Just search beginners in forex market. You learn exactly what you needed to learn in forex market. Now, why I actually brought you to this particular channel is because I've been managing people's like you, beginners in forex trading, in order to not to lose their equity in forex market, probably make a lot of equity to actually risk a little of it. Now you're risking not even your profit, but not even your capital, but your profit. Now, if you want to become a profitable trader or you want to make exclusively massive money in forex market without even trading yourself, well, I'm here to manage your account. Before you start asking me, you make all this money and you still manage people accounts. Well, 99% of the managed account with my share of profit goes to homeless people. So if you actually want to feed or you want to actually clothe and support homeless people, well, this is an opportunity to make your own profit and still help homeless people out there. What you just need to do is to share this video to many people that actually need account management and also could actually help homeless people to participate on it. So have a nice day. See you guys in my next support video. And if you are actually watching this video, you have nothing to actually offer, probably you don't have money, you don't have equity, you don't have any amount, well, I will give you my mentorship for free. What you just need to do is to go to my bio, click the link on my bio and join my free Telegram channel, or go to my comment section. You'll see my link on my comment section or on my description. The mentorship is totally free. Account management is totally 50 to 50%. Now explain more on account management when you come to my DM. Just go to my description, click the link on my description and join my free Telegram channel. And all of us that actually want to participate in mentorship for free, go to my comment section, click the link on my comment section and join my free Telegram channel. Have a nice day. See you guys in my next video. Thank you so much. Let me show you guys a little of this particular view on how I entered this particular trade. Listen. Now this is actually 1 hour time frame. As you can see, this is actually when the market started buying. This is actually the last which is a breaker. If I go to smaller time frame, you see the breaker. This is the breaker block in the forex market. For those of us that don't know what breaker block is, well, I will teach you more on breaker block when you actually find yourself in my free Telegram channel. Have a nice day. See you guys in my support video. Thank you so much.